Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big Super there. They're in the vicinity at the Lyssons beach. And never take a look again for the urgent, because it seems like nobody realize how urgent is the urgent. But now I see where them put some caution tape around the urgent. Some viewers and sub, Big Super there, and I'm going to do one 15 minutes blog to make you see what's taking place around the urgent out in Lyssons. So stick and stay. Some viewers and sub, Big Super out here, right out of the urgent. And that sign in the drop down, road work, it did lay down and I just come here, so I put it back to stand up. And we are going to take a look this morning, exactly, take a look on the urgent. Because it look like sometimes when you talk, nobody still not really respond. And we are look how serious the urgent is. Because we want to observe the vehicle them where a pass on the urgent. Plus we are look on the breakaway where take place right on the urgent. And if there should be a rain, God forbid if every rain falls for a day or two and this thing not get out of the way, what will really happen? And this thing a linger about over some 3 years now. Yeah, when you look on the vehicle, people, this thing a linger over some 3 years now. And I don't know why it can't fix, why it can't repair, or why nothing can done to it. And thing, I don't know if this is a special project more than the normal. If this takes some rocket scientists to really get it sorted out. My viewers and sub, I'm going to fill up the comment section and make you know if we have to go for some engineer from Japan to complete that thing here. We need to know if we have to get some people which part know some eye science to complete that urgent here. But me not feel that this is a good look. This can't there so long. And two sides of the road take time to eat way. And as much as the people then love the road, this urgent here, this need to complete, people. You can't have this a linger right in front of the Lyssons beach. This is right in front of the Lyssons beach, people. And this need to get out of the way. Yeah, man. So we come here this morning, people. And we just come to take a look on it, to draw it to the authorities' attention one more time. And I ask if I not draw it to their attention several times. I have this. Several times I draw this attention, people. And this is the much umpteen time now, Big Super out here. I do a video on this right in front of the Lyssons beach. See the nice beautiful Lyssons beach there, you know? That I want to know, you see, how can you have a resort like this? Yeah, right there. How can you have a resort like this? The Lyssons beach. You can't have a nice beautiful beach like this where people are flying from all over the world to come enjoy themselves. And you have something like this sitting right in front of it? No, man. This parish council, mayor, MP, I feel so we have to do something about that big hole where they write it so. Nobody wait for no rain to come undermine the ground and then tear it away. Just see if one can get it. See if one can get it out of the way. Yeah, man. And then now, my viewers and sub, I drive on the road there every day and I observe something that take place. And I go point it out to you guys. Because all of you who drive on the road there, I go contest it to it. Right as the road, I sink. It's when the vehicle them reach right in another vicinity here, right as people, you're going to feel the front wheel go down. Yeah. You see, if two vehicles pass, you know, one of them come to the south shoulder over to the left side, you're going to drop right in the sink right there. So the road also a sink, you know. The left side of the road a sink. And that is a problem. So, my viewers and subscribers, Big Super, I point out the urgent to the public. I point it out to the Prime Minister. I point it out to the Minister of Works, the government. I point it out to all who in authority to see if we can come and get this urgent out of the way. Yeah man, you can't have a piece of road. You know how long me talk about this piece of road there? And not today, no. You can't have this. This piece of road is a breakaway. And it's as if you sit down and wait on like a vehicle in a night we can't see and navigate and head up overnight. It's like something have to happen. Why Jamaica have to operate that way? If something not happen, something cannot be done. You know, we need to get out of that culture there. Where something has to happen before something done. We need to start to fix the problem before it happens. You understand? Somebody write over the urgent and God you knows, I don't know what take place here so. People, you can tell me, pipeline are run, cable wire, cable them a bend where so you see the cable them a come under pressure. So them cable there and them pipe the way they run it so. All of them soon burst and gone. So me I say authorities, the time you're there I come run pretty cardoning around the area, to cordon it off. The time you come and run pretty fence, you come with a team and get this thing out of the way. This thing cannot stay so. Forever. Over 3 years now this thing there so. This big old hole dig out, the whole place dig out. You understand me I say? You can't have it on the road that undermine when you can't take a close-up look people. Let me give you a close-up look. The road are undermine. You understand? We're in a May. We're in the rainy season. My viewers and subscribers, we're in the rainy season. And we need to get this thing out of the way. Yeah man. Some viewers and sub, Big Super there. The 21st of May. Yeah man. The 21st of May we're there people. And we are take another look on the road. Yeah. We are take another look on the road. On the surface of the road. And with the outer license. With the right at the license beach people. Yeah. With the right at the license beach. My viewers and subscriber. Big Super. The right at the license beach. And we just take a look on that piece of road that we are breakaway. And we now go start talking about this piece of road. We don't want to come fence it up in a pretty fence. We want to come fix it. And that may I say. We need the piece of road that's to come fix. We don't want it to come fence up. Fence up thing now work out. You understand me? Road needs to fix. That this piece of road right there, so in that vicinity here. This piece of problem I want to have how long. A linger. How long my viewers and so. This problem need to fix. So Big Super there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see a vehicle. I'm going to try to see if I can see two vehicles apart at the same time. I can see the sink. The sink where I developed right from my right hand side now. The right hand side of my camera. There is a sink I developed. And when two vehicles reach there, it forces one of the vehicles to come to close to the south shoulder. And then you will see the right wheel sink. And remember, you know, people, right so the truck did sink, you know. You remember the truck and the rain where it sink right, and in the rain and the truck did sink. Same place where there. same place today again, the viewers. See it, watch it now people, watch it. You see it? You see that? We have a slow motion and make on see it again. So you see so there is a sinking of the road, a developing of the road. Some of you as a subscriber, I ask the authority, please. I ask the Prime Minister. You understand what I say? All I want to see, you see the vehicle sink again. Watch it. Look people, look. You see that? You see that? It's that dangerous for your car, that dangerous for your bike, you know. A bike and a sink is not a good thing, you know. And you have some folks about to ride them bike very fast. All I want to organize and take this big peer hike. Prime Minister and his crew, the two set of the two sides of Parliament will have this nice big salary. You understand what I say? While the little ship a sink. I want to enjoy yourself. I ask you, see if you can take a look on the salary and donate to fixing that little piece of road there. Since it will take how much umpteen how long. See if you can take some on the salary on a nice, sweet 200% increase. That's what I hear some people are saying. I don't know if somebody, I don't know which entity in Jamaica can get that, but that me hear some people are saying. You can donate some on an increase, man. You see that? Bad drive that, you know. You can donate some on increase and see if you can help and fix that little piece of area. That little piece of area, I don't want the time and the day come when I have to stand up here so and I do a bad news report. After me do so much report on it, I don't want the day come when I have to do a bad news report. So my viewers and sub, I ask you to full up the comment section. You understand? Full up the comment section. And if you can inbox the Prime Minister himself. Because drive come out here, a couple months back he was out here and he drive on the same stretch of road and he pass the same area. The councillor them pass on the same area. The mayor pass on the same area. I ask you to see if you can pass a bill in a parliament or in the council. You see that look at area right there, so we are undermined. See if you can get it fixed. Me tell you something, you see? Sometimes the life you save, you know. Sometimes your own life you save when you do things, you know. Sometimes it's not other people's life. You might have passed when the problem get worse and drop over another part there. Yeah man, if you don't left it like how it is. Some of you, thank you for listening to me. We spend that little few minutes of my time here to take a look on the real breakaway where it take place out in a eastern St.Thomas. Whoa, you see that? A vehicle overtake while me think there now, man. Who overtake on the little narrow place there, you know? Why I tell you so the driver them are the next. Them are the next set of people, but me have it on camera people. And when we see it, when you're out just up on the road a video, you have to try to be caution. You have to try to be careful. You have to try to be careful, people. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Give the video the old thumbs up. And let me know what you think about this area here where I linger for over some 3 years and can't fix. Big super. Right out in my beautiful community Lyssons. Right, I'm going to take a walk down on the Lyssons beach to make gonna say 1-2 little clip on Lyssons beach. So peace out. Peace out.